So I'm wearing my Frosty the Snowman hat because we've had a lot of snow recently, and we had this big snowstorm that closed the schools. And so in this video, I'm going to take you for a walk near my lake and show you all of this beautiful snow that we got. So enjoy. I'm down by the park near my house. Here's the lake in the distance. And we got a lot of snow yesterday. Hello! Hello there! Look, so I'm just gonna walk in the snow here. School was canceled yesterday because of all the snow. The snow is like coming down like crazy, crazy, crazy. It's just, I don't think we expected to get this much snow. It's, wow, it's coming down really fast and really hard. I'm not quite sure how much we got, but you can kind of see on the top there about how much. I just love walking in the snow. It's really soft. It's really magical and it's really peaceful. But it's beautiful. It kind of makes everything very still and very quiet. I'm coming up to the lake now. Snow's coming down so hard that you can't even hardly see it. It just looks gray. It's so quiet out here, so still. Amazing. And it's pretty cold. But as you can see, someone else was here ahead of me, but not too many people have been walking here. I guess I won't take a seat on that bench there. When you sit in it, it's very cold and gets wet. So, but here are the rocks. They're covered in snow. I'm coming to the edge of the lake here. Now, the lake is starting to freeze. See, but it's not frozen completely. You can see there, those lighter areas, they're not frozen yet all the way. So it's not safe to walk on it. It needs to be frozen at least for a couple of weeks, like below freezing for a couple of weeks for it to freeze solid. Across there is an island, so when it does freeze over, I will be walking across the ice to the island. People like to come out here and fish, so they'll cut holes in the ice and they will ice fish. Yeah, can you guess what these guys are doing out here? What would cause them to come out here in below zero weather? Yeah, out here on the ice. Yeah, you guessed it, fishing. Other people will bring their all-terrain vehicles, their ATVs, and they'll actually ride them on the lake. I've even seen some people with sailboats that have kind of skis on them because it gets quite windy. But it's still too soon for all of that. But here is just another look at the snow. It's really lovely, isn't it? Well, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video of the snow. If so, please subscribe, please like, please share. I have many more videos to come. And I hope that you have a really wonderful, wonderful day.